Hey, I'm hello, Spike. Been meaning to do this very important shout out the last few days. I'd like to congratulate Bird Do Production, which were formerly Bird Poo Production Games and toys, on reaching 5,000 subscribers. That's a mighty achievement. I've been following this channel for a few years, and they have really good stuff. If you like toys, board games, even food reviews, check them out at Bird Do Reviews. I like them, and here's to many more subscribers. Wonder what they'll do with 10,000 subscribers. We'll have to see. And congratulations, Laura and Nathan, for hitting your 5,000. And that's about it for now. I'll be back for another video soon. Bye.